Okay guys, we're back. I got it pushed in. It's cooled off now. I cooled it down with the blowgun a little bit, but now I've got some 180, or not 180, it's 220 grit on my DA. I'm going to take this down and get some bare plastic around here as best I can. I mean, it doesn't make sense, right? You want this welding thing is fusing it together, and you're just melting the plastic together just like you would be steel or aluminum, and you sure don't want paint melted in your plastic. So I'm going to try to clean it off now. Alright, I do believe that'll work. For the welding process, looks like there's still a little bit of paint in there. I'm going to take some sandpaper by hand. Take sandpaper by hand. I'm going to try to get this little bit of paint in the bottom part of this cut, or the bottom part of this slit here. Get that out of there. Okay, now I'm just trying to make it as pure as could be when I try to weld it together. There's several different kinds of welders, plastic welders. This one I have is a pretty old one. I had it when I was doing body work. It comes in pretty handy, and like I said, this rod actually goes with it. So now I'll try to get this over here close enough you can see it. Hopefully, it's a very slow process and tedious. Well, hopefully it will melt. If not, there is some plastics that will not melt right. If that's the case, we'll have to do it solely off of a two-part adhesive type weld or repair. So doesn't look like it's wanting to melt real well, but I didn't have it turned up all the way. So we'll get it turned up here, see what happens. It sure doesn't seem like it wants to melt. So if that's the case, then we'll have to stop, take a step back and do a little bit different prepping, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and stop it because it's not wanting to melt. And we'll see what happens. I need to V-groove that groove out now, and I'll have to get another tool to do that. So stop it and pause for a minute, step back, see what we're going to do.